everyone, welcome back to Student Chefs. I'm Tyler.
I'm Maddy.
I'm Mikayla.
And I'm Katherine.
Today we're joined with celebrity guest Dr. Matthew Gross, coming to you from the University of Windsor to teach us about the nutritional value of this recipe. Matt, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Today we'll be making chickpea capellini with tomato and basil sauce. This is a cheap, quick meal.
Later tonight, we'll be joined by Avery Mertz from the University of Windsor women's hockey team to judge our meal.
Alright, let's get started.
We're going to start off our recipe by sauteing bell peppers and onions in 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Alright, here's the onions. It's 1/2 of a red onion. And we've got 1 whole red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper.
And now we're going to add salt and pepper for seasoning.
Paper?
Yeah, I said pepper. Once your onions start to turn brown, add 1 tablespoon of garlic.
Next, you're going to take 4 cups of spinach and you're going to wilt that with your onions and your garlic and your peppers. Get it in there, all the spinach.
Then to help it cook and melt, we're going to put the added vegetables on top.
Now that the spinach is wilted, we're going to add in the sauce. If you can open the jar. Alright, so now we're going to add in 1 can of chickpeas. And this is going to cook for about 20 minutes.
Make sure to salt your water before adding in your pasta noodles.
And now you're going to let it cook for 4 to 6 minutes for al dente.
To test if your pasta is ready, a great trick is to grab a piece, throw it at the wall, and if it sticks, you know it's done.
So now that our pasta's ready, we're going to strain it and then add it to the sauce.
Since this meal is for game day, we're going to do family style portions.
That's good. Avery, what do you think?
This is delicious. It's perfect for a pre-game meal.
Awesome. That's awesome. So now we're all going to judge this recipe, giving it a score out of 10 based on taste, cost, and nutritional value.
For overall taste, we're giving this recipe an 8. For cost, we're giving it a 10, and for nutritional value, a score of 9.
This is cost effective and a quick meal for a student athlete. In total, the meal cost was about $15, making it roughly $3 a person.
Each item we bought was under $3, and all of these items were purchased at Food Basics.
This recipe was created by our group. It's vegan, high in protein and carbohydrates, and it's packed with delicious veggies.
This is good for female hockey players as you want to carb load the night before a game. You want to carb load because you typically use your aerobic system during the game.
Per serving, there's 548 calories, 20 grams of protein, 88 grams of net carbs, and is very low in fat with only 8 grams per serving.
This dish is also high in iron, folate, fiber, vitamin A, and vitamin C.
It's important to have meals with high iron, especially as a female athlete, because typically females have lower iron due to menstruation.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week on Student Chefs.